This is the elevator in North Huntingdon / Irwin, Pennsylvania. This is a Montgomery from the 80s. Down bell doesn't work, but the up one does work. Ground. Door close does not close when you press the button. Door close button does not work either. It's unusual for Montgomery. Here you go down. It's probably installed by industrial commercial. Because they installed a lot of Montgomerys out here, especially in the 80s and 90s here at ground. Cut to 3. Door closed a little quicker that time. Here we go. Good monitors are down, go back down to 1. I'll try to open that a little bit. It's a basic Faker grain cab. It looks more like a modern Faker grain cab here, not like an 80s one, but it might still be from the 80s. Go back at 1. Certificate. Oh, it's screwed shut. There's a screw right there. It's a ground braille for the lockout and the ground button. Or down, not up. There's no fire service. I think that's what it should be. There's Jared. Because then that's gonna be it.